Assalamu Alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I thought it would be fun to show you some of the best performing companies that I own in my portfolio. As you know, 2022 has not been great when it comes to the stock market side of things. Everything is down, everything is out. But having said that, there are companies that performed really well and at the same time paid me really good dividends. So I want to share with you guys 6 different companies that have basically done really well for my portfolio, as well as paid me quite a bit of a dividend this year. I thought it would be just a quick fun video. I mean, there's no quick analysis. I'm also going to show you whether they are undervalued at the moment or fair value or so on. But yeah, I thought I'll share this with you guys just to kind of give you an overview of these companies that have done really well, because we always talk about the ones that are not doing really well. So it's important to talk about the ones that are doing well, at the same time show you what my total returns are for each one of these stocks. So first of all, look at the company, the ticker and so on, current price. When I purchased the first stock of that company, the price increased since I bought it in pounds. The percentage increase in total amount for the current dividend yield, the current payout ratio in dollars, so how much they pay in dollar and how much in dividends, for example, how much dividend that I have received since actually purchasing this stock, the total amount, so price increase as well as the total dividend. That will be the total return for me in pounds. But remember, this is unrealized gains, so I have not sold the companies, but obviously this is realized gains because I've actually got that money and reinvested into these companies. So I'm just going to add the two together to give you the total return in pounds, and then I'm going to show you the current valuation, so what Morningstar is saying right now, and the fair value price if you like. Right, if you like this type of content, before I start, please give the videos a like. Like I said, I'm going to do a quick video just to kind of summarize these things, but it's also equally important, that if you give the video a like, it really helps. Okay, so that's all I ask for, because it does take quite a bit of time to put these things together. Right, so the first company we look at is Air Products and Chemicals. This company is currently trading $316 per share. Date purchased was 12th of March 2021. Okay, so almost basically coming to 2 years right now. Price increase, okay, 960 pounds and 77 pence. Okay, so that's how much I'm up right now. So that's unrealized gains. If I sell it right now, that's how much money I will make. It's up about 33% in percentage. Dividend yields right now 2%. Annual payout $6.48. Obviously I have to pay 15% of the money that I receive because of the US taxes and so on, but that's how much they pay. Dividend received so far from this company up since I bought it is £73.44, which is quite nice, right? Total return, so this is money I've already, like I said, already is gained, realized, unrealized gains, realized gains, both of them together will give me 1,000. So if I was to sell right now this one and added that much, I will make about £1,000, which is quite nice if you think about it. Okay, I own the company for a year and 8 months or whatever it is, right? And that's how much I would make. So it's a really quick, basically nice gains, right? Right now it's actually down about 3%, discounted 3% according to Morningstar, which is actually quite nice. But I haven't added to it because I was up so much. I didn't want to actually, because remember when you add, you average up, and there's a lot of companies that are down so far. So I've been focusing more on that. But you see, this is really a quality business. Okay, I'm not doing the whole analysis. You can look at that later. If you let me know if you want me to do a full analysis, I'll do it maybe next week. Fair value right now is $325 per share. Right now it's trading $316 per share. The next company we're looking at is Merck. Merck is a pharmaceutical company, currently trading $109 per share. I purchased this stock September of 2020, right? And since I bought it, is actually when I bought it, I think it was 78 or almost $80 per share, and then it went down to almost 70. So I kept buying. Right now I'm up £876. Okay, that's price increase of 57%. 57% basically up right now. Dividend yield, okay, 2.67, which is quite nice from pharmaceutical company. Annual payout $5.92 and then cents, sorry, and then dividend received so far, we're looking at £114 right now. £114 that I've received since I actually purchased this stock. Right now, $99 basically up. If I was to sell this, I would be making about almost closer to £1,000 after owning a year and basically on just 2 years. Current valuation, we're looking at about 13% premium. I agree, this is a bit expensive right now. $97 per share is where it should be. Right now it is $109. I wouldn't be surprised if this keeps going up, because it is a quality business and it's actually one of my favorite pharmaceutical companies, probably one of the biggest. The next one is another same industry, J&J, $175 per share right now. I purchased my first stock in May of 2020, so early on, and I have had this company since then. In fact, what I did was I used to own about £1,000 worth of this company, and then I remember selling it and buying the ETFs, because I thought the ETF was actually at the time had, I think, 5% or whatever it was, and I thought it was a lot safer. But then I bought it back. I bought it back even more after that. But the first stock that I bought of this company was May of 2020. Right now I'm up $673 pounds, 21% up. Dividend yield of 2.57, payout ratio $4.52, and right now in total I have received £127 from this company since I actually purchased my first stock. Total return £800 in total if I was to sell everything right now. 7% premium, 164. My target is if it gets to 164, 160ish, okay, I will be buying more of this company, because I haven't actually bought more recently, and it's one of my biggest holdings, if not the biggest holdings, and I will share with you these companies in a second in my portfolio. Next one is Broadcom. Broadcom, a company that I've talked about recently a lot, because it's actually right now it seems cheap. $555 per share right now. I purchased the first stock December of 2020. Basically around this time, 2020. So it's almost 2 years now I've had this company in my portfolio. Price increase since then, $623 per pounds. Okay, 34% up right now. Dividend is absolutely amazing, 3.31%. Payout ratio $18.40. Can you believe that? $18, that's per share. So every share that you own of this company, they will pay you $18, over $18, which is quite nice. £89 right now of dividend received so far. Total return £712 in total, and right now it seems discounted, and it still is. 624 is where it should be right now. 555. The next company we're looking at is Amgen, a company that I've talked about recently. I've made my first purchase of this company 2020, so May of 2021, so around the same time, around this 2021. Right now it's basically trading $267 per share. I'm up 568 right now as we speak. That's a price increase of 34%. Dividend yield 3.14 and 3.19%, and annual payout $8.52. Dividends received so far $70. Total return of 638. 5% premium right now. 255 is where it should be. I'm gonna wait. So recently I said I'm not sure, I wasn't sure what to do with it. Okay, I'm waiting for more information to come out of the purchase of this new company they're buying. So I'm gonna see how things go in the next, because these purchases, they actually take almost a year, 2 years, because they have to go through all sorts of things, okay, from the SEC and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna wait for a few more months, see how it goes. Maybe wait until the next earnings and see what the report shows. So I'm not gonna sell it yet. So I'm going to keep an eye on it. The reason I want to sell it is for two reasons. Debt levels might go higher because of the new company they're buying and all that stuff. If you haven't seen that video, I've talked about two companies where I thought I might sell them or whatever. So go and watch that video if you haven't seen it yet. The final company we're going to talk about today is Home Depot. One of my favorite dividend paying companies out there is a home improvement company. So we'll see how this actually goes, because according to people, recession times, people do not actually buy stuff from Home Depot and blah blah blah. So if the US gets into some sort of a recession, it might not do as well. But again, that will give me the opportunity to add to this quality company. $323 per share is where the price is right now. I purchased my first stock August of 2020. I'm up $558, 58 pounds right now. That's a price increase of 21%, dividend yield of 2.35, which is absolutely amazing. Payout ratio $7.60 is how much they will pay you for holding one share of that business right now. And if you live in the UK, then that means you will pay $15, 15% of that every single year back to the US government, right? So the brokerage company will collect that from you. You don't have to do anything. Okay, dividend received from this company so far is $68, is 68 pounds. I'm actually quite surprised. I thought it was slightly a bit more than that. Okay, but I have been buying. I only used to, I think I had 5 shares for a long time. Right now I might have 6 or 7. I can't remember how much, but I will check that in a second. 627 pounds is basically my total return for this company. 20% premium. I definitely agree, because it is really expensive right now. I would not be touching it. So there you go, 6 different companies that have done really well. Now, in 5 years down the line, if I look back, if I still hold these companies, okay, I promise, I don't know, I can't promise, but based on the trajectory of the S&P 500 and these stocks, right, 5 years from now, I would have been paid a lot more in dividends. My total will probably be a lot higher, because I'll probably be buying more of these companies as they pay me. As well as that, the price might keep going increasing if their revenue goes up and the companies are doing well. And every single one of these businesses are doing really well when it comes to their obviously total returns, as well as obviously increasing their revenues. Amgen, like I said, that was the only one that I was concerned about, and that's just because of the debt levels, not because of anything else. And the current debt levels is fine, is because they were acquiring another business. But every single one of these businesses are absolutely amazing, right? So there you have it. Let me quickly show you for transparency reasons. Air product and chemicals, as you can see, 960 pounds up there. Amgen, again, another company, over 560 something pounds. Broadcom there, 34% up. Home Depot, 20%, 21%, $558. The J&J, 671 pounds up, or 20% if you like. And then Merck, finally, 876 pounds, or 56 pounds basically percent right now. There you have it. Those are the companies that I wanted to talk about today, and as you can see, I own them in my portfolio. I've had them for a long time. There was a couple of companies that I could have potentially have added to, and probably Microsoft would be one of those companies, but it didn't make the cut because my plan was about 20% or more, but this company is actually slightly lower than that, so I just left out. But Microsoft is doing really well. Procter & Gamble is doing okay. Lowe's is actually doing okay. Who else is doing well? Actually, Cummins has come down quite a bit. It was 600 not long ago in terms of gains, but it came down quite a bit in the last few weeks as well. So yeah, they do own a couple of other companies that are doing okay, as well as obviously the ones that are not doing really well. This one 300 down, that one 600 down. The worst one of what is almost £1,000 down for this company. I don't know what the hell to do with this one. Anyway, I'm gonna keep it and see what happens, inshallah, going forward. Salesforce is starting to come down even more, so I might start doing basically average it down a little bit, because right now my average is $203, but we're looking at $128 per share right now. So yeah, there you have it. There's the portfolio. There's just a quick update of overall, and I felt like this was actually a quick video, so it just to kind of share with you guys a little bit of fun. Do your research if you like any of these companies. If you're still here, please give the videos a like. Let me know if you like these companies. Let me know what your highest paying basically dividend stock is, or let me know how much you're up in certain companies. It will be really fun to share these things. It's not about just me, it's all about the community. So the more you share, the more you can help other brothers and sisters. Have a discussion on the comment section. Tell us what you own, inshallah. Assalamu Alaikum.